Hey guys, are you tired of wasting precious time entering usernames and passwords every time you log in into your Instagram account? In this video, I'll show you how to save your login information on Instagram so that you can access your information without any hassle. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any kind of mistakes in this process. To get started, we will simply open our Instagram mobile application. Then you simply have to tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, there you can see the three little lines at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that and then tap on settings. Once you are on your settings page, simply tap on where it says security and tap on the third option named as save login info. Now as you guys can see that the first option is toggled off. So in order to save your login info in your Instagram app, you simply have to turn this option on. After that, you don't have to type in your username or password at every time when you log in into your Instagram account because your information will be saved by Instagram app. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.